Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your can't link Instagram problem on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, you simply have to open up your Play Store or App Store first to check whether your app is updated or not, because if it's not, sometimes that kind of problem can occur. So search TikTok right over there and now tap on it and see whether it asks you to update it or not. You can see even for us it's asking. Tap on this update and wait. Once you're done, tap on this open option right over there, icon in the bottom right, and tap on this edit profile option. Now if you scroll, you will find this two option of Instagram and YouTube. Go ahead, tap on this Instagram option, and this will simply redirect it to your Instagram. You simply have to allow and enter the username of yours and simply sign in. Once you have signed in, you will simply have to provide some verification step and you will be able to connect them to your TikTok, and the icon as well will pop up afterwards on your TikTok profile and you can tap on it. That will redirect you to your Instagram profile as well. So make sure to do that and you will be able to do so. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.